Hi guys, welcome to Living Lotus Yoga on YouTube. I'm Carole, and today's class is all about text neck. So we're going to go through a standing sequence that's going to relieve some tension, some tightness in the neck and upper back. Great thing about this class is you don't need any props, just you. So when you're ready, we'll get started. So to get started, you're actually going to stand on up, with or without a mat. The mat is not required here. Standing flow. Okay, bring those feet about hip distance apart. And then I want you to bring your focus to your head. And take your head and realign your head over your heart. And then realign your heart over your pelvis. So that should start to encourage us to have a nice, tall, straight spine. From here, we're going to begin to draw the shoulder blades onto the back. That means we're going to find a little bit of expansion and opening across the chest. Release your hands down by your sides, palms facing forward. And then take your head and just slide it back slightly. From here, take a deep breath in, side out. 2 more, inhale. Exhale, big sigh. Breathe in and out. So standing in your Tadasana or your mountain pose, this might actually start to feel like a little bit of work as we're standing here. That's okay, let your breath flow, continue to deepen it. We're just encouraging the body to find that preferred posture, realigning everything. Most likely waking up a bunch of muscles that haven't been active for a little while. So we'll hold it here for 2 more rounds of big breath, inhaling for full expansion. Sigh these breaths out, encourage that tension to leave. Again, inhale. Exhale. And as you continue to deepen your breath, you're going to take your left hand, reach it around your back, over for the right arm. As you do this, we're continuing to find that expansion across the chest. We're continuing to draw your left shoulder back. Gentle stretch here for the left side. And then you're going to drop your right ear down towards your right shoulder. You should start to feel a nice, juicy stretch along the left side of the neck. Keep pressing evenly through the feet. Keep nice and strong, nice and tall as you breathe. One more breath in and out. Gently bring your head back into center. Release your left arm and take your right hand, and now it's going to reach around the back and over for the left side. Once the right hand takes a hold of the left arm, you're going to roll the right shoulder back. Keep that expansion and openness across the chest. And gently drop left ear down to left shoulder. Again, deep breaths here, allowing for that gentle release along the right side of the neck. Big breath in and out. One more in and out. Reset your head, release your right hand. From here, interlace your fingers, and then we're going to keep the palms open and the elbows out to the side, and you'll bring this right underneath your chin. This will be your inhale. As you exhale, the elbows begin to drop down, coming together. We're making a fist. The fist presses lightly into the base of the chin, head tilts back, and you will open your mouth and sigh. so let's go for 4 rounds of that. So beginning, resting on the chin into the hands, elbows wide. Inhale deeply. Exhale out through the mouth. Make that fist, elbows draw in. Again, inhale, drop it down. Exhale. Last one. And release. Perfect. Inhale, reach. Exhale, forward fold. Hang out here. Press evenly through the feet. Bend the knees a little bit. Soften, drop your head down towards your knees, let the breath flow, and fold your arms, opposite hand to opposite elbow. From here, we'll gently take a sway from side to side. Keep this nice and soft. You can go ahead and bend the knees a little bit further and see if you can drop the belly down onto the thighs. Continue to relax the neck. Let's shake the head. Yes. Let's shake the head, no. Let's shake the head, maybe. And then just soften. Release. Breathe it in. Sigh it out. Breathe it in. Sigh it out. Release your arms. Inhale, gently unwind, unfurl all the way up. Come to stand. Nice and tall. And once again, find that preferred posture. So realign head over heart, heart over pelvis. Roll the shoulders back or open and expand across the chest. Arms roll forward. Slide your chin in slightly. Breathe in. Exhale, Tadasana. Interlace your fingers. Bring this to the back of the head this time. Inhale, lift your gaze, lift your chest. Support your head. Exhale, forward fold. Hands staying where they are. Soften your knees. Inhale to this forward fold. Exhale, relax the neck. Allow the weight of the hands to gently stretch the back of your neck. Inhale. Exhale, soften. Inhale, release your hands down to the ground, half fold, flat back. Exhale, fold fully. Inhale, gently rise all the way up, unwind your spine. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, hands all the way down behind you. Interlace, make a fist. Inhale, root the fist down, roll the shoulders back, lift chest, lift gaze. Exhale, forward fold, soften the knees, relax the neck. Let the hands reach up to the ceiling or rest on your low back. Inhale here. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, release the hands down to the ground, half fold. Exhale, full fold. Inhale, left hand to the ground, right hand sky twist. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, right hand down. Inhale, left hand to the sky, twist. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, full fold, relax your neck. Inhale, unwind all the way to stand. Open across the chest as you exhale, Tadasana. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do that once more. Interlace your fingers, bring it to the back of the head. Inhale, lift gaze, lift chest. Exhale, forward fold. Let the weight of the hands gently stretch the neck. Inhale here. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, release the hands, half fold. Exhale, full fold. Inhale, gently rise all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, reach arms up to the sky. Exhale, release your hands down behind you. Interlace to make a fist. Inhale, root fist down, roll shoulders back, open chest. Exhale here. Inhale here. Exhale, keep rooting the fist down, open the chest. One more breath in. Exhale, slowly bring this into your forward fold. Your hands can rest on the back or reach to the ceiling. Inhale here as you lengthen the neck. Exhale, soften. Inhale. Exhale. Big breath in. Exhale, release your hands down to the ground. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, full fold, press left hand down. Inhale, right hand to the sky, twist. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, right hand down. Inhale, left hand to the sky. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, full fold. Inhale, gently rise. Unwind nice and slow. Open across the chest. Exhale, Tadasana. Breathe in. Breathe out. From here, bring one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly. Take a moment to check in with your alignment. Bring your head over your heart. Bring your heart over your pelvis. Let your shoulders drop away from the ears. Close the eyes and breathe. Reconnect to the breath. And then I want you to imagine that you are breathing in softness and you are breathing out tension. Any areas of tightness, replace as you breathe in softness. Let that tension go. Three more big breaths. Go ahead, release your hands down by your sides. Take a deep breath in as you reach all the way up, palms meet. Exhale, bring them down through heart center. Thank you for joining me for your class today. I hope you are feeling a lot more at ease. Namaste.